Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to import Blogger posts into Google Sites. This is a fantastic way to showcase your blog content directly on your website, making it easier for visitors to access your latest posts without leaving your site. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to your web browser and type in site.google.com. This will take you to Google Sites where you can manage all your website projects. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and open the project or site where you want to display your Blogger posts. Make sure you're working with the correct site, especially if you have multiple projects running. Now that you have your site open, shift your attention to the right side of the screen. Here you'll notice an option labeled Embed. Click on this button. The Embed feature is essential because it allows you to integrate external content seamlessly into your Google site, whether that's videos, maps, or in this case, your Blogger posts. At this point, you'll need the URL of your blog post. To get this, open a new tab in your browser and navigate to blogger.com. This is where all your blog content lives and where you'll grab the specific link you need for embedding. Once you're on the Blogger homepage, look to the left side of the screen where you'll see a menu with various options. Click on View Blog. This action will take you to the live version of your blog as it appears to your readers. You'll want to copy the URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. This link is what connects your Blogger content to your Google site. Now head back to your Google Sites tab where the Embed dialog box should still be open. In the provided field, paste the URL you just copied from your Blogger page. Once you've pasted it, you'll see a preview appear. Google Sites offers you a couple of display options here, so take a moment to review them. You'll notice that you can choose between displaying the whole page or just a static description of your blog. The whole page option embeds the entire blog layout directly into your site, giving visitors the full Blogger experience without redirecting them elsewhere. The static description, on the other hand, provides a simpler preview. For this example, we'll click on Whole Page to give your visitors the most immersive experience. After making your selection, simply click Insert. This finalizes the embedding process and places your Blogger content directly onto your Google site, and just like that, you're done. Your blog posts are now integrated into your website, making your content more accessible and keeping visitors engaged on your platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.